Today I was given a higher 5000 BTU mechanical window air conditioner. This is one of the R12 or R22 units. Not sure the exact date of manufacture, but I remember seeing them sell these up until a few years ago. Yeah, no date. Actually, there's a 5200 BTU, which is strange. .6 ounces R22. These were manufactured under a few names. These were sold by Sears Kenmore, Higher, which was sold by discount stores and supermarkets like Big Lots and ShopRite, stuff like that. And I believe LG had them, which was sold at Home Depot and places like that. But used to be a fairly good air conditioner. It still runs pretty good. I'm gonna open it up and clean it, see if I can sell it, make some money. A few dents in the condenser, but nothing too bad. So here it is, opened up and running. Shouldn't run these like this, but it's a good way to test it, see if it's still cooling. See what's going on inside too. I took the styrofoam insulation out because it's a lot of surface mold. I'm gonna have to clean that out with some bleach. Down there, I'm gonna clean the best I can and clean the blower off. It's an interesting effect with the frequency on the electricity in the camera. Water starting to dribble off of there. It's got a Ricci compressor. High speed. Nice heat off this condenser back here. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna clean it up, put it on Craigslist, see if I get 20, 25 bucks, 30 maybe. It's getting pretty hot out, so that's it for now. Might as well show you this too. I installed my Kenmore, which is running. Very pleased with that one.